Blinded by the light reflecting from the glass door, a bird lost its way and rushed into a young man's house. Unfortunately, the poor creature crashed into the table leg and got stuck in the gap between two iron bars. The bird flapped its wings in panic, trying to escape, but every effort only caused it more pain. Its neck was squeezed by the increasingly narrow gap, and its weak cries rang out in despair, growing fainter and fainter. Hearing the strange sound, the young man stepped outside. Before his eyes was the heartbreaking scene of a small bird trapped, its eyes filled with fear. Without hesitation, he quickly approached and gently reached out to free the bird from the gap. The bird was almost exhausted, its small body drooping in his hands. The young man checked the bird and found a large scratch on its neck, its shaggy feathers matted with sweat and dirt. Filled with sympathy, the young man brought the bird into the house. He prepared a small box with a warm towel as a temporary nest and carefully fed the bird drop by drop with his finger. His eyes were filled with worry as he watched the weak breathing of the little creature in front of him. After a few minutes, the bird gradually regained consciousness. It opened its eyes and realized that the man in front of it had no intention of harming it. Though there was still a bit of fear, trust gradually arose in its sparkling eyes. The little bird lived under the care of the young man's family. Its wound quickly healed, and it became healthy again. The young man always left the door open so the bird could fly freely wherever it wanted. But surprisingly, the bird did not leave. No matter where it was playing, as soon as it saw its owner, it would fly over and land on his hand. To the little bird, the young man was not only its lifesaver, but also its family and warm shelter. The young man's kind act saved a little creature and gave it a chance at a better life. May the best things always come to the young man's family and the lovely bird. Dear friend, thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting stories.